Hello, this is Larry, KE7IUW, with a short tutorial on how to post an article to the DCARC website. To do this, you will need to log into the website using your username and password. As you can see, I've already done that. Go ahead and continue to scroll down to the user options and select the link Create Article. This page should pop up. The first thing that you want to do is go ahead and give your article a title. No information is needed in the alias. It will be automatically generated. You'll now want to go ahead and put in content. There is no limit at this point for the amount of content, but typically we want to keep it short and sweet with the information that we want our members and the public to know. Feel free to use any of the formatting that is available to make your article stand out. The next area that you'll see is information about images and links. This is where you would go ahead and upload any images that you want to associate with your article or any links that you want to associate. The next area is the publishing. This is probably one of the most important areas other than the content that you're putting in. First, we have categories. The categories relate to the specific information and areas of our website. So if you're doing a piece of news for the club about radio or news about the club, like an announcement, you would want to select club and radio news. As this is an education item, I'm going to go ahead and select education. That's where you'll find this article when you go back to our website. The tags and author's alias, go ahead and leave blank. The status that you want to use is published. This will allow the information to be posted to our website. Next, you have featured. Featured is a very special tag that we have. If you want the information that you post to show up on our main page of our website, you want to go ahead and change the featured tag from no to yes. If you just want to have it listed underneath the category on the website so that people have to click to find it, you'll go ahead and just leave it no. Our start publishing date, go ahead and leave that blank for immediately. If you want your article to post sometime in the future, you'll go ahead and put that future date. The finish publishing date would be an area that we don't want to use at this time because we want our website to start filling with history so that people can see what our club has done and will be doing in the future and has done in the past. If we put a finish publishing date there, once we hit that date, people on the front end of our website, the general public and our membership, won't ever be able to see that once it comes down. This could get frustrating if people are trying to find information that they know was on the website at some point but now is missing. So go ahead and leave that blank. The access level, at this point we want to leave it at public. If there is information that you want only for the membership to see, please contact the web administrator and I'll help you post that in an appropriate way. The other information and boxes aren't necessary at this time. So we'll go ahead and scroll up to the top and click Save. If you've successfully published content, then what you'll see is in the middle of the page, you'll see a message, article successfully submitted, YouTube article, and you see as we have listed it as a yes for the featured article. It is on our main page. For those of you that have been granted access to be able to post directly to social media from our website, the next steps are for you. If you want this article to post to our social media channels, including Facebook and Twitter in the very near future, you'll go ahead and click on your article and it will show up in its own page like this. The next thing you'll want to do is you'll want to go down to the bottom left-hand corner where you have a Create Posts. If you don't have access or haven't been granted access to post directly to social media from the web administrator or the executive committee, you won't see this bar. So if you want to post this article to our social media channels, you'll click Create Post. This box will then show up. At this point, we've only got the Facebook connection or the Facebook channel loaded in our website, so that's the only option you have. In the near future, we'll have other venues of social media that you'll see there. More than likely, you'll want to select all so that everything gets posted to all of our social media channels. This box up here is an area that you can put some content in that will show up with our social media channel and the post that you've just created. In most cases, you'll want to go ahead and leave that blank so just the article that we have on our website posts to the social media channel. But if you wanted to add your own comments, you could as well. At that point, once you're done, you click on Post, and the system takes it from there. As this is just a test for the tutorial, I am not going to hit Post. This might take about 15 or so seconds to post to the channels, depending on the traffic and what else is going on. But just stay patient, and you will receive a successfully posted message come up. Well, that concludes our social media and article posting tutorial for the DCARC website. If you have any questions or comments, or if you have an idea for other tutorials that we can post in the future, please don't hesitate to reach out to us and let us know what you think. Have a great day.